Most real estate agents have hundreds of people in their database. These are people that would work with them again or refer them. But the main problem is that agents don't know who to contact, when to contact them, or what to say. In this video, I'm going to share with you a series of automations that we've built inside Make.com that solve all three of these problems. The solution is an email that is generated that gives you a list of the people that need to be contacted and AI generated prompts as to what you should say. And those are based on things going on in their life right now. This is one of the core automations inside the database dividend system. And once it's running, it runs on autopilot without you needing to touch it. Hey everyone, this is Kevin Small with Kinetic, where we help real estate agents generate more transactions from their database using AI-powered automations, just like the one you're going to see today. So if that's what you're looking for, please subscribe. We'd love to have more people just like you as part of our community. Okay, this is the automation that handles the email that's generated with the list of people that need to be contacted. So let me walk you through the setup. Here in the beginning, the trigger is this Airtable database. Now, Airtable, if you're not familiar with it, it's basically a spreadsheet. So whether you want to use a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, or Airtable, it's all the same. It's really up to you. But the big difference is there's a column that we've added called last contact date, and that is primarily what it's looking for. In this Airtable field, what it's looking for is anyone that has the last contact date where it is blank, meaning that they haven't been contacted recently. Our second step is the array aggregator. And what it's looking for is it's pulling in data for people that don't have a last contact date. And you can see here, it's pulling in their ID, their first name, their last name, phone number, and all of these different fields that give us the information that we need. And so that is how it's identifying and pulling in their contact information for each person that doesn't have a last contact date. Now, one of the challenges that a lot of agents have is when they see a list of people who haven't been contacted in a while, it just feels overwhelming, like they need to contact hundreds of people that day. But this automation fixes that solution, fixes that problem. The way that it fixes it is based on these two tools modules. The first one is looking at the total number of contacts that are in the Airtable. The second tool is taking the total size and dividing by 65. Well, why 65? Because there are basically 65 workdays in a quarter, in a 90-day period. Our recommendation is that you should be contacting everybody in your database personally once a quarter, so 4 times a year. This takes your database, divides by 65, and it's going to give you a handful of people that you should be contacting every day. Makes it super simple. Now, once it's done the math and it knows that you need to be contacting 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever that number is of people for you, it's going to go find those records. It's going to use AI to write suggested prompts as to what you should be saying or texting that person. It could be that they have a birthday coming up and it should be saying, you need to wish them a happy birthday. It could say, hey, it's the anniversary of when they bought the home. You need to talk about, when they closed on the home. So it's going to give you suggestions based on things that are going on in that person's life. And then this step right here, the aggregator, means that it's going to process those people one by one instead of processing all of them at once and jumbling all that data. And then the final step is all of that information is compiled into one email, and the email is sent to the agent that has everyone they need to contact and why they should be talking to them. So when that email is sent, it looks something like this. You'll notice that it's got the name, the number, which I've got grayed out, and why they should be talking to that person. And so you'll notice for each person here, it's got their name, it's got their contact information, and any reasons why they should be reaching out with a little button right here that says mark as contacted. And so it's simple. The agent receives that email. They click the button that says mark as contacted, and the database gets updated automatically. What happens when they click that button is there's a field that gets populated into the last contact date so that the system knows the agent talked to that person today. And then just to make sure the system's working properly, there's a second automation that's working in the background automatically. This automation is running once a day, and what it looks at is the last contact date. So it's doing a search looking at the last contact date. And if that last contact date is more than 90 days old, then it's going to go in and remove that date so that that person no longer has a last contact date in that column. By doing that, it pulls that person back into the pool of people who need to be contacted. And so they'll be part of that email that gets sent to the agent the next time that's doing its processing every single day. And that's how you can be sure that this automation solves all of your contact problems. You'll know who to contact, when to contact them, and what you should be saying. It solves all the problems as to why agents are not being more meticulous about generating income from their database. See, when you have the proper tools, generating more transactions from your database, it's just math. It just happens. And that's the power of automations that you'll find inside the database dividend system. Now, if you found that helpful, take a split second, click the thumbs up button down below. We appreciate your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. This is where you'll find great tips, strategies, and automations that will save you tons of time and generate more transactions for your business. Down in the description below, I'll leave 2 links. One will be a link where you can download all of the components of the system that we're covering one by one in these videos, and you can have an entire build out of what that database system will look like. And number 2, if you want our help building this for you, then there's a link down below where you can schedule a discovery call. We'll walk you through the process and determine what that would look like for your business. And that's it. Make it a great week. Keep crushing it in your real estate business. If we can help, let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video. Take care.